Atomy World Success Show. Hello, I'm your host Christian. I'm back again. The program I prepared is called Atomy Video Choice. What a name, right? This is the time to gather the achievements of Atomians and introduce to people all around the world. So, what are the videos to share? Shall we start? Okay, so let's go to the first video. Many of you must have noticed what kind of video is it just by looking at the thumbnail. This is the performance video containing Atomy's vision for 2022, prepared by Atomy chairman, Han-Gil Park himself. Let's take a look. Wow. Look at the charisma as soon as he gets on screen. With all the ancient music. I love the environment of this video. Are they gonna paint something? Look at that. It's so powerful. I would really love to learn how to do that. Oh. This is pure art. I love it. Look at that. I love the fact they are so concentrated in their art. They don't care about it has so much energy. Oh, look at that. Beautiful way to present something. Wow. That was amazing. That's incredible. Wow, such a great performance. So this is the 2022 Atomy message from the chairman, Ilshin Uilshin. Renew it day by day. The message indicates Atomy's will to develop. Atomy, as a leading network marketing firm, is not willing to complacent where we at, but willing to renew as a global firm. I will try my best to renew each day as an MC of the World Success Show as well. Okay, so which product do you use the most? What's your favorite product in 2021? In the year 2022, there's an Atomian who introduced her beloved Atomy products in 2021. Let's check out the 2021 Atomy's favorites from Juliana.
Hi guys, my name is Juliana and this is my YouTube channel. 2021 has come and gone, and I hope you all had an amazing year and that the next year brings you a lot of joy and
a lot
happiness.
of good wishes.
In this video, I will talk about my 2021 Atomy favorites.
I'm excited about this.
These are the
Very
products
curious.
that I discovered in the past year, and I truly enjoyed using them. I will
She
not
looks
go
really
into
happy, really satisfied
ingredient
already,
lists or other details too much. I will only share my personal experience. So, the first product is Atomy Lipped Velvet Tint. I have two shades, Dry Rose number 445 and Ash Deep Red number 443.
Actually having this split screen here helps you to understand the product way more.
Different ways. What I like to do is just apply a little bit onto my lips and pat it with the fingertip.
She went really specific.
But you can also apply it onto your lips properly with a brush if you want to have a fuller coverage.
Okay, so that's her favorite product from 2021. You want to know what's my favorite product from 2021? I have it right here. Him! Yeah! I just can't wait to see what other products will win my heart this year. I think a good way to wrap up the year through products review like this. Two women are waiting with lovely smiles in this video. We can feel the pleasant energy just by looking at the thumbnail. A fresh and lively Atom skincare review from the YouTuber. They are also my best friends. Shall we meet?
Hi guys, welcome back to Cheers.
Hi, we're coming at you with a review and first impressions.
Because I've been using this product for a little over a month now.
So happy.
And I've never used it before, so.
And it is the Atomy Beam. It's like the new system
New and
skincare.
improved.
Yeah. So it's already opened, but I still keep it in the box, personally. So that's how it looks when it comes in the box.
There's
full
not 6
presentation.
products anymore.
It's now
Really
5.
nice.
In 3,
2, 1. There you go. Now we have bird faces.
First step.
They're
So it
lovely.
actually recommends on the Atomy website to go in with a cotton pad on the toner. I typically just do 1 pump, but if I'm feeling extra dry, then I do 2. So 2, please. And then I personally like to really put it onto the tips of my fingers rather than to the palms of my hands,
Look at that.
So the majority of the product goes on your face.
rather than into the
I
palms.
wanna try some
And
too.
padding
Do you have some here?
helps it get into the skin better.
I really
because
wanna
it just kind of
try
helps the blood flow in the face.
It sounds ugly.
But you don't want
It
to
also
abuse
looks
yourself.
ugly.
Yeah. You don't want to abuse yourself. Just do it lightly. Love yourself. Love pats.
Wow, I mean, looking at this, I'm starting to think, like, I just like use my palms to just get the cream in my face, but I have to dab like they do, man. It is interesting. I'm learning a lot today. Yeah. Like, there must be many people watching this video who like the products they use and introduce them to people around them. So how about shooting a review video together like this? The main character of this video is completely in love with Atomy. Based on her own experiences, she tells the story of how to properly enjoy Atomy food and the amazing experiences she has shared with her friends. Atomy lover, please come out! Okay, let's check. A lot of funny videos going on here just by looking at the thumbnails. Let's check the first one, the most recent one.
Tebel-tebelin, malu jadi orang jelek, kasihan. Kayak gue
Okay,
dong operasi
look.
tuh
Wow,
hasilnya.
flirting with the camera. Oh, impressive skin they have. This is really well done. Okay, we have some other one. Let's check this one. Oh, looks really natural. Yeah, I can tell our friend here has a lot of experience with Atomy products and also with TikTok. A lot of experience. Look at that, traveling. Wow. Wow, look at the dance moves. Wow, I will be that happy if I have those amazing products as well. I want to be this happy. How can I do this? Wow. And a lot of videos, different videos in different SNS as well. Yeah, if you have some time, you should go and check them out. They're really funny. Okay, so how was Atomy Video Choice with me? If you would like to be on Atomy Video Choice or have an Atomian you would like to introduce, please send a video link and a brief introduction to the address below. Atomy Video Choice is open to everyone. Thanks for watching. Let's meet again next time. Bye-bye.